2025 marks the 40th anniversary of Shanghai Railway Station. In the past 40 years, Shanghai Railway Station has resonated with the development of China's automobile industry, proving the growth and expansion of China's automobile industry. This auto show was grandly held at the Shanghai National Convention and Exhibition Center from April 23rd to May 2nd. There were nearly 1,000 manufacturers and a total exhibition area of more than 360,000 square meters. The number of new cars launched at this auto show was 100 units. Above, let's take a look at what blockbuster trains there are at Shanghai Station this year. Looking at it, the traditional car-selling luxury brand Sai electric MPV concept car was unveiled with the forward-looking concept of digital luxury arc. It can be raised and lowered to make the LiDAR design not only visually impactful, but also reflect the deep integration of light technology and art. The mass production of BMW VDX concept car provides important technical guidance and design direction drive for the dynamic transformation of BMW M series, and the power output is expected to reach 1,300 to 1,700 horsepower. The strong performance fully demonstrates BMW's exploratory spirit in the research and development of Galaxy energy electric vehicles. The Audi 15 Sportback and Station are the world premiere. The car was jointly developed by Audi and SAIC Motor. It deeply meets the needs of the Chinese market and uses use of strange equipment value systems and advanced sight tuning technology. It is fully transformed into Audi's online energy and intelligent production. The technology behind the model is powered up in the wave of electrification. Joint venture brands are also accelerating the process of technology localization. Following the Volkswagen brand's most vigorous efforts, the Volkswagen brand launched 3 new generation intelligent connected concept cars. The 3 concept cars come from the 3 domestic joint ventures of the Volkswagen Group: FAW Volkswagen, SAIC Volkswagen, and Anhui Volkswagen. The ID Evo concept car, brought by Anhui Volkswagen, actually integrates Volkswagen's global technology and localization needs in language, and its bold and sharp shape pays more attention to advanced driving assistance and safety performance, except for the concept car. Previously, the ID and the first car of the heavy-duty truck series were also launched at Shanghai Railway Station. The new car color and small battery version of the car system have also been upgraded. At the same time, domestic brands also made great achievements at this Shanghai Auto Show, each bringing their own new car flagship product, the JIKE 9X Fanglang body shape showing its majestic style. The world's first launch is equipped with Qiali Haohan H9 solution and super electric transportation technology, equipped with natural dual chips and controllers, providing consistent technical support for assisted driving and vehicle function improvement. AVI He06 is the only mass-produced car with 200,000 yuan equipped with Huawei Qiankun ads. The other systems are composed of 20 high-gas energy sensors, such as 192-line LiDAR, 12 12-gram ultrasonic sensors, which can cover the whole scene of parking in the original area of urban expressways. The S09 has been speculated with a length of 5.2 meters and a length of 3.1 meters, which directly matches the ideal table, and the L9 is equipped with a super growth of 2.0 G. The addition of Huawei's Hongmeng warehouse and Ads 3.0 pricing system has brought its practical level to a new level. Home users and technology controllers can't miss Hongqi Tiangong retail materials as one device. Hongqi's first pure electric medium-sized SUV, built based on a 900-volt high-voltage platform, uses unique design elements that inherit the brand's high time variability in appearance, highlighting Oriental aesthetic technology and many blockbuster cars. Presents to Shanghai Automotive the latest achievements and development trends of the global automotive industry in the field of electrification, intelligence, and connectivity. During this Shanghai Auto Show, we will continue to report for you.